Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it and click one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, tap OK Creative, and close the nut. Over here you can customize your edges. For example, you can change run style, change pattern, animation speed, border size, and many other things. If you wanna leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources, like photos, choose a photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. When you're done, click Create. Now click on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Set As and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of the options. As you can see, my edges were successfully applied, but if you wanna see these edges when you use apps, you can go back, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then click Yes, tap on the switcher next to an app, go back and click on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges all the time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!